We believe creating experiences, it really is the best job in the world, but it's also one of the hardest. And that's because, until now, your software has been holding you back. This is a challenge that we faced firsthand, and it's the reason why we built Easol. Before Easol, my co-founder Lisa and I, we spent over 15 years building experience businesses. From running 2,000 experiences a year with over 2 million customers across 16 cities, to throwing adventure travel parties in the Sahara Desert and in the Swedish archipelago, to founding Rise, now Europe's largest destination snow sports and music festival. It's now celebrating its 11th year. With all this, we know how hard it can be to create incredible experiences, but that also work commercially. And the technology we had to work with made our jobs harder, not easier. We quickly realized this wasn't just our problem. This was true for creators across the entire experience industry. Firstly, there's the one-size-fits-all. These solutions just don't work. When we were building Rise, we ended up stitching together 6 different tools. One platform to manage our website, another platform for bookings that relied on iframes and widgets, and another one for packages, and yet another for corporate sales. Plus, each had separate payment providers. What was worse is none of these systems talked to one another. That made our operations a mess, and it created a ton of manual work behind the scenes. Entertainment businesses, I know that you can relate to that. You might be using booking systems built for restaurants, maybe a ticketing tool that's designed for venues, or maybe an all-in-one platform that ultimately falls apart without plugins and constant workarounds from your team. It's these one-size-fits-all solutions that just weren't built to handle the complexity of your experience. And so instead, you focus all your time on survival instead of on growth. Then there's marketplaces, who overpromise growth and cost you your data. They make big promises, but what they don't tell you is that growth rarely materializes, and it comes with trade-offs. They control how your brand appears, your payment terms, the fees, and even control and own your data, making it difficult to understand who your audience really is. And yes, they might be able to add a few sales, but they're using your data to promote rival experiences, often your direct competitors. So maybe you decide to build your own tech. And this can feel like the right move, a system built just for you that you can fully customize for your business. But this is often an even greater headache. First, it's expensive. Building your own technology requires a huge upfront investment, and the costs just don't stop there. It's often hard to maintain. It won't scale easily. So when you're trying to add new products or open a new location, your technology only slows you down. Every hour your development team spends managing your infrastructure, it all could be time and money.
Little